A warm and delightful morning to all of you. I am Apurva Shrestha from grade 61. Today I am here to speak on the topic International Day of Family. Families are like branches of tree. We grow differently, but our roots remain the same. It is the most important thing. Family supports us in every step of our life, but we never have to pay for it. A complete green circle with a red picture indicates the symbol of International Day of Family. Its graphic contains simple red hearts and house designs. This logo also reminds that families are the heart of society, providing nurturing environment for people of all ages. This uh, this also reminds that every family are unique in the base. Every family are unique and different in terms of size. Families are the most significant essence of our presence. We must make time to express gratitude for our family and friends for what they do. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.